House PRR, do you have any updates?
Ah, okay, so mularga na po ko soon kaya para tanaw na po na ko kumahan. Um, like any other person that would be in detention, you would be depressed, and you would have trouble eating, di ba? Di makaganahan mo ka, you would lose your appetite. So mo ako makita saya, but cognitively is okay, but he's not a young person, he's old, di ba? Ana ba? So yung lawas is okay, but pero payat na gid siya. Payat na gid siya kay tanaw na ko wa siya makakaon og tarong kay tungod like walay gana eh. Walay gana. Kung naka sa balay, you're with family and friends, makakaon man ka, so wala na problema na yung nana. Pero kung ikaw, bisag kinsa sa tua, like any other ordinary person, mag-ibutan kag detention center, even without a clear, like a clear case against you, without due process, how would you feel? So mauna sa mahitabo sa usa ka tao. It's very unjust yun ang ginabuhat sa iya karon. So, sige lang, siya may mayor nato gihapon. Okay? Siya ay mayor nato, acting mayor ko, and he's been mayor here for several years already. Let's just follow this direction. Kani adto pa hantod karon. Mao na ang dabawin niyo. Salamat kayo.
Mayor, namayat ka, Mayor.